I love how we just start doing that though without anyone doing anything. You just start put it down and just start dancing. The whistling makes it like the best. What are you doing, Brad?
No, it's amazing.
No, don't make him stop. I'm putting this on
Do
YouTube.
it till the bell rings and then just keep doing it and we'll go with Mr. Barry. Then you'll just stand up.
The last video you put on YouTube, Jason in the background said soy sauce.
People are just staring.
He's so amazing.
This is why you don't stay inside all day.
Okay, now it's just getting kind of old.
No, it's really awkward.
Yeah, that's